Number 1. 1984 Ford Ranger XL, $2,500, Carmichael, California. This 1984 Ford Ranger XL features a 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. With only 64,445 miles, it runs and drives but emits smoke, suggesting valve or ring wear. The clutch and gears feel solid, making it a great starting point for a light restoration. The lean title adds a small hurdle, but mechanically it offers classic compact truck charm at a fair price. Number 2. 1989 Ford F-250 XLT LARIAT, $4,600, Santa Barbara, California. This clean 1989 Ford F-250 XLT LARIAT comes with a 5.8-liter V8 fuel-injected engine and automatic transmission. The truck has 137,442 miles, two-wheel drive, and a long 8-foot bed fitted with a Lear camper shell. It features a towing package, new radiator, new AGM battery, and double fuel tanks. Well-maintained and never used commercially, this LARIAT remains a strong, reliable classic full-size pickup. Number 3. 1977 Chevrolet pickup, $4,500, Acton, California. This 1977 Chevrolet pickup presents a straightforward restoration opportunity. Equipped with a V8 engine and automatic transmission, it shows 58,000 miles. The truck requires a head gasket and radiator replacement, and it lacks keys. Despite its fair condition, the square body styling makes it an attractive project for enthusiasts of 1970s Chevy trucks. Number 4. 1984 Chevrolet Silverado C10 Diesel, $2,500, Oak Hills, California. This 1984 Chevrolet Silverado C10 Diesel is a rare square body model with a solid frame and classic look. Powered by a diesel V8 and a TH400 automatic transmission, it's offered as a project or parts truck. The seller includes additional body components such as beds, fenders, and axles. At this price, it's an appealing candidate for restoration or diesel conversion enthusiasts. Number 5. 1954 Ford Stakebed, $3,900, Bruceville, Texas. This 1954 Ford Stakebed truck offers vintage utility with classic charm. The 6-cylinder engine was rebuilt by the original owner, and while it needs a carburetor rebuild, the body is rust-free and in good condition. With a clean title and straightforward mechanical needs, it's an excellent short-term restoration project for collectors of 1950s Ford work trucks. Number 6. 1963 Chevrolet C60 grain truck, $1,770, Naperville, Illinois. A genuine farm classic, this 1963 Chevrolet C60 grain truck shows just 58,060 miles. Equipped with a 292 inline-6 and manual transmission, it ran 2 years ago and only needs a water pump to be roadworthy again. Its originality and low mileage make it an appealing vintage hauler for restoration or display. Number 7. 1968 Dodge D100, $2,200, Butte, Montana. This 1968 Dodge D100 half-ton pickup remains structurally sound with minimal exterior rust and a straight body. The engine turns freely by hand, and while the floorboards require replacement, it's a solid candidate for restoration. Dodge trucks of this era are growing in popularity, making this a good entry-level project with potential. Number 8. 1969 Chevrolet K10 4x4, Threethall, Idaho. This 1969 Chevrolet K10 4x4 project sits on a 1975 chassis and is powered by a 305 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. The drivetrain and transfer case are installed and functional, but the truck requires wiring, radiator, tires, and assembly work. With its clean title and solid mechanical base, it's ideal for a hands-on builder wanting a classic off-road pickup. Number 9. 1979 Ford LN700, $20,500, Miramar, California. A heavy-duty classic, the 1979 Ford LN700 features a 370 cubic inch gasoline engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and 24,000-pound GVW. It comes equipped with hydraulic brakes, a liftgate, and stakebed setup. Although it needs liftgate cable replacements and some TLC, it passed California's smog check, rare for a truck of this age and size. Number 10. 1986 GMC S15 Sierra Classic, $2,800, Soledad, California. This 1986 GMC S15 Sierra Classic is a hard-to-find extended cab model with a 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. With 163,788 miles, it runs well and remains in good condition for its age. Compact GMC pickups from the 1980s are gaining collector attention, and this one offers a clean foundation for a light restoration or daily classic driver. Number 11. 1966 Ford F100, $7,500, Oxnard, California. The 1966 Ford F100 comes equipped with a reliable 300 cubic inch inline-six engine and manual transmission with overdrive. With only 12,600 miles showing, this truck is in good condition and embodies Ford's classic workhorse design. It's an excellent example for collectors seeking an authentic, drivable 1960s pickup with strong mechanical simplicity. Number 12. 1983 GMC High Sierra 1500, $2,300, Hudson, Wisconsin. This 1983 GM High Sierra 1500 runs and drives well with a 350 small block V8, Edelbrock carburetor, headers, and dual exhaust. The 3-speed manual with Hurst shifter adds a sporty touch. Though it has rust and a leaking header, the frame is solid. The included new parts make it a practical and affordable restoration project for fans of 1980s square-body trucks. Number 13. 1999 Dodge Dakota, $800, Pueblo, Colorado. This 1999 Dodge Dakota 4x4 is offered at a bargain price. Equipped with a strong V8 engine and automatic transmission, it features a recent tune-up, brake service, and new steering pump. Despite cosmetic dents and a power steering leak, it runs well and could serve as a dependable work truck or parts donor. Number 14. 1961 GMC $8,000, Portland, Oregon. This 1961 GMC long bed pickup showcases a patina-style aesthetic with authentic age marks. Powered by a 350 V8 with automatic transmission, it features upgrades like new brakes, master cylinder, drive shaft, shocks, dual exhaust, and electric fan. While the engine needs work, the solid body and restored mechanical components make it an appealing classic with vintage character.